What is it that tutorials in Fusion 360 isn't telling you? Well, I'm learning Fusion 360 and follow me along and I will show you the obstacles I experience. How do I edit these? What happens if I remove and recreate a parameter? No, I can't do that. How do I find this parameter? Edit feature. Oh, I found it! My name is Kjell-Olov and I'm learning Fusion 360. Let's begin. I'm in Mac OS High Sierra 10.13.5, Fusion 360 version 2.0.4233. So I'm following the LinkedIn learning tutorial Autodesk Fusion 360 Designing for Wood. But I have been drawing this in millimeters and the tutorial is in inches. I have to correct the parameters I created. So modify, change parameters, and there are four. Now, question is, how do I edit these? I can't right-click them, and but I can't change the unit. So, No, this is taking too long. Here's my speculation. Once you created a parameter, you can't change the unit. You can change the value, but you can't change the unit. So these are, the name and unit are immutable. So what happens if I remove and recreate a parameter? That could be interesting. Now remember, the thickness of this body here is actually tied to the material parameter here. So what happens if I delete this parameter? Delete. No, I can't do that. This parameter cannot be deleted. It's used in the expression of another parameter. So I suppose what I can do is I can create a new one. It'll be the same value but in millimeters. And I do the same with that one. Question is, how do I find all the places where these are used? Okay, they put some effort into to enable me to favorize parameters, and then they show up here. Well, I suppose that's useful, but that's not any help to me right now. So I don't have time for this. How do I find this parameter? I mean, it's hidden in here. I know this width here. Oh, maybe. Where was that? If I go into dimensions. Oh, dimensions was here. Right click. Sketch. I have to open the sketch, of course. Let's see now. Here's sketches. So here's that sketch. How do I open it? How do I open this one? Is it open now? I don't know. No, I don't have any closed sketch, so how do I open a sketch? Edit sketch. Aha. There it was, but now I don't see the extrusion. that didn't help. How do I get to the extrusion I created? Maybe it's down here. Sketch. Here. Here, extrude. If we double click that one. Edit feature. Oh, I found it! Whoa! Okay, so now we can change this to material millimeters. That looks better. And now we can... Okay, how do I go now to... I think I'm in the past, because now I changed the extrusion and can't really understand what these icons are showing me. Anywho, let's press enter. Okay. You really have to imagine the state you're in. You go in and out of different meta states here, and it's not obvious. You just have to learn where you are. I suppose it comes to me. So now, let's go to modify, change parameters, and now I should be able to delete this one and delete this one. Great! So now we can continue with the course, and I'm going to use millimeters instead of inches. So this is going to be a very small chair, but anywho, I don't have time to redraw the chair in inches, so I'm just going to brute force on in millimeters and just pretend they are inches.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.